Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. And today I'm here with my quarterly Walmart Beauty box. This is a summer box for a 2025. So anyway, let's just get into it and see what we got in here. Okay, friends, first of all, I want to thank you for being here. I appreciate your support so much. You can support my channel by subscribing, hitting the like button, leaving me a comment. All those things are appreciated so much, so thank you for that. Taking a quick peek in here. It doesn't look super exciting to me, to be honest, but anyway, let's see what we got in here. Okay, so the first thing I have, which is summer, and it's a good thing, it's the Sun Bum SPF 30 sunscreen. So there's that, and I believe this is I think it is, I think this is for the body, not just the face, but the body. So everything. So anyway, so there's that. The next thing I have here is it's from Dove, and it's coconut and vanilla whole body and friction stick. So this isn't just it says a whole body stick. So, and friction, I'm not sure what that means. I think you can use it to keep dry, especially in summer when you sweat in areas that you don't want to or whatever. Here it is, the stick. It has a nice, it does have a really nice vanilla, let's see, coconut and vanilla. It does smell like coconut vanilla. That's nice. So I don't usually use stick deodorants, but I might try this. And anyway, we'll see what happens. I might even try this under the girls. Sometimes you sweat there, and anyway, TMI. But so anyway, we'll see what it's all about. So it's not just for the underarms, but anyway, there we go. There's that. The next thing I have here is from EOS. This is the Shea Butter. It's the Shea Butter Cashmere body wash, and this is in vanilla cashmere. I do have had this lotion. I do like it. I like the EOS products, so that's a decent size too. This is 2.5 ounce fluid ounces, so that's pretty good. So that's that one. So the full size is a 16 ounce, and it says it's $9.99. So anyway, it's quite a bit bigger than this. And so the next thing I have here is something I won't use. But this is called the Gimme Find Your Perfect Fit. It is hair ties, and they're $77.94 for a 10 count. I got half that size, so I got a 5 count. One of them is kind of fatter. It kind of goes down in size to the biggest, smaller. They feel like really good hair ties, really great hair ties. I just don't happen to use tie my hair back, but I'd be happy to get these if I was a ponytail girl or something. So anyway, there's that. And the last, is that it? The last item I have in here is just a sample of a hair mask. This is called Monday Deep Moisture Hair Mask. And so there it is. It's just that size. I will use it. It might be a one-time, maybe two-time mask for me, but I do like hair masks, so I probably won't let that go to waste, or maybe it will be a travel. Anyway, whatever. So there's that. So, okay, so we have the hair mask in here. We've got the hair ties, the Gimme hair ties. We've got the SPF 30 sunscreen. This is Sun Bum. This is an old school sunning. Back in the day, I mean, we used to wear this. We used to drown in the tanning oil or lotion that came in this brand. But anyway, those days are no longer. But then we've got the Dove All Over Body deodorant and friction cream. What do they call it exactly again? Coconut vanilla whole body and anti-friction stick. So there we go. There's that. And then we have the cashmere EOS cashmere and vanilla lotion. So this is kind of a body lotion too. So great for summer. I think they kind of hit it on the nail for summer. You've got a moisturizing mask, you've got your hair ties, you've got your body stick, your SPF, and the lotion. So I think they stuck with the summer theme really well. I do appreciate these boxes, even though sometimes I look at it, it's like, oh, this is kind of so-so, but for $6.95, you can't really beat the price on that. So anyway, I have to say I'm always happy to get these. They're just a fun little box to get quarterly. And so anyway, that's it for today. Let me know what you think of the box. Do you get it? And do you think it's worth it? Anyway, let me know in the comments. And I appreciate your support so much. Thank you for being here. And I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.